How to fix screen share audio on Discord mobile Android. To learn how, make sure you watch video till the end and follow these simple steps. So if you are trying to screen share something, maybe a YouTube video, and the audio is not going through, just follow the process. First, go to the Discord app. Then tap on 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner. Go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Scroll down and tap on voice. So when you are on this page at the top, it says input mode. Just tap on it. Make sure it is in voice activity, not on push to talk. However, if it does not fix your issue, then exit and tap on settings. Then tap on apps and notification. After that, tap on the Discord app. Then go to the storage. Here just tap the clear cache. After that, just go back. Then tap on permissions. Then make sure you allow all the permission here. So that's how you fix audio issues with screen sharing on Discord mobile. We hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials. Thank you.